Hi Andy, this is Hema. Today class Inter 1B LOCUS chapter exercise 1.1 nothing but 1.8. In that first two questions completed. See the third question. Find the equation of locus of point P such that the distance of P from the origin is twice the distance of P from A. So what solution what they given? So we have to take P be a point. What they given P be a point on the locus, given P be a point on the locus. So P of x comma y. What I am taking P value? X comma y, because the location of equation we want to know. That's why we are taking P of x comma y such that what they given P such that distance of P from origin. So P point from origin. What we have to take origin means 0, 0 is the origin, you know, coordinate geometry origin point 0, comma 0, x coordinate 0, y coordinate 0. So distance P from origin is, so P from origin, the distance of P from origin, P point from origin is twice. Twice means how many times? 2 times. Twice of distance of P from A point. P from A point. What they given here? A point also given. What is the A point here? 1, comma 2. P point we know, locus point. O is the origin, A is the given point. So the distance of P from origin is equal to 2 times of P from 2 times of P from point A. Now, what OP means nothing but distance between O and P. Here, PA means distance between P and A. Now, we will get root no square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So we don't want root. That's why first one I am squaring both sides. Then I can take the formula. OP square equal to 2PA whole square. So OP square only. 2 square means 4. 4 PA square. 4 PA square. Now, we have that formula. What is the distance between 2 point formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. OP square root of x2 minus formula here I am writing x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is this formula? Distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points. This formula we have to follow. OP. O is the point here. OP. So O x comma y. P point. O what is the origin? No? O 0 comma 0 P point x comma y. Distance between OP square. So x2 minus x1. This is x1. This is y1. This is x2. This is y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square and x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. OP square completed. Next 4 into PA square. P, what is the P value here? X comma y. What is the A value? PA distance for A value we want 1 comma 2. So this is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. So x2 minus x1. 1 minus x whole square plus 2 minus y whole square. 2 minus y whole square. We have to multiply with 4 after doing calculation. Let P be a point on the locus. O is the origin. A given point. What they given? The distance of P from origin is equal to 2 times of distance of P from given point A. Then we will get root in the formula, distance formula. First only I remove that root by using square. Square root will cancel. So OP square equal to 2PA whole square. So OP square 2 2 is for 4 PA square. Now I did here substitution completed. Substitution. See here O value P value x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to 4 into x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now simplification, x minus 0 means x1, you know, so x square here y square equal to here 4 into here 4 into A minus B whole square formula. Here A minus B whole square formula. Here also A minus B whole square formula. A minus B whole square formula. A square minus 2AB plus B square. A square minus 2AB plus B square. A square minus 2AB plus b square. Here 2, 2 2 4, 2 square, a square place 2 square plus here minus 2ab minus 2ab plus b square y square. Now here simplification we have to do x square plus y square left side as it is. Now 1 square 1 minus 2 1s 2 2 into x 2x plus y square here plus 4 2 2 is 4 minus 4 by plus y square. Next step. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 4 x square plus y square equal to. For first simplification we have to do what is the x value? X square 1 time, y square 1 time. Next times how many are there? Only 1. Minus 2x minus 4y. Numbers 2 are there. 1, 4. Both having same plus 1 plus 4 plus 5. Same symbol addition. Now here next step x square plus y square equal to 4 in 4 with the multiplication. In this step we will do 4 with multiplication. 4 into x 4x square plus 4y square minus 4 2 is 8 8x minus 4 4 16y plus 4 5 is 28. Now x square shift. Now transpose x square y square this side. What we will get? 4x square plus x square. What we will get? Minus 4x square minus x square plus 4y square shifting plus minus y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 2 equal to 0. Same. Now here 4 1 nothing x quotient nothing is there. What we have to take? 1 4 minus 1 3. So 3x square here 4 again 3y square minus 8x minus 16y plus 2 equal to 0. This is the equation of locus. The third question in the textbook which question completed? Third question completed. We can go for fourth question. Next question, fourth question. See here, fourth question, find the equation of locus of point which is equidistant from the coordinate axis. Coordinate axis nothing but x axis and y axis. So solution, what is the solution? Now I am doing equation. Now equation of locus we have to find. No? So let us take P be a point. P of x comma y be a point on the locus. On the locus, what is the point? P of x comma y be a point on the locus. So for this locus, coordinate axis. So coordinate axis a point on coordinate axis. X axis, I am taking a point. On x axis, y coordinate 0. Next. On coordinate axis, on y axis I am taking B. On y axis, on x axis y coordinate 0, on y axis x coordinate 0. Now what they given? Distance of P from these coordinate points is equidistant. Find the equation of locus of point which is equidistant from the coordinate axis. So P be a point on the locus that is equidistant from coordinate axis. Coordinate axis I am taking points A point and B point. Now P what they given? PA equal to PB. PA equal to PB condition. What they given? Locus condition. This is the locus condition. So for this condition we have to apply the formula. What is the distance between 2 points? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y2 y1 whole square. We don't want root. That's why I am doing it now. PA square equal to PB square. Square root will cancel. We will get an easy calculation. Now, you see the next calculation part. On x-axis, y coordinate 0. On y-axis, x coordinate 0. Now, so what is the point P? X comma y. A point on x-axis, what coordinate 0? X coordinate 0. Here P, x comma y, B point. On y-axis, and x-axis, y coordinate 0. On y-axis, x coordinate 0. Now P square equal to PB square. P square equal to PB square. Yeah. P square equal to PB square. Now PA square, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2 for PA. So x2 minus x1 whole square, x minus x whole square plus 0 minus y whole square. This side also here. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Now here also x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Don't confuse the distance, the root is there. No, why madam is not writing? Here I did square root and square root will cancel. No need to write square root. Now simplification, x minus x 0. So 0 square how much? 0. 0 square 0 plus 0 minus y. Minus y whole square. Minus y into minus y. Y square. Here 0 minus x whole square, minus x into minus x plus x square plus y minus y 0 square. So 0 square means what is we can write 0. So we don't need to write 0. So y square equal to x square. Transpose x square minus y square equal to 0. This is the answer for fourth question.